Here are the 3 most common ways patients can save themselves money with full arch dental implants. The number 1 way is to get it done right the first time. Go to a place that has had lots of experience doing these procedures. Sometimes when you go to a place, just because they have it advertised as the cheapest may not be the best. They may be cutting corners somewhere, and then oftentimes you have to have that work redone, so then you're actually paying for it twice. Here at our practice, we really care and we really want to give you the best possible result, and we do that by doing all the steps needed to make sure it's a perfect result for you. We use a 3D cone beam image. Before we even go into the surgery and everything, we've already planned out exactly where we want every implant to go based on the anatomy and the bone structure and everything that you have. So there's no surprises. We know going in, we could almost do the surgery blindfolded if we needed to. But what that allows is predictability. It allows quicker healing, faster recovery, and we also have a process where we can move you into your final teeth very quickly. That can also help the process as far as swelling, discomfort, pain, because you're in your final teeth a lot quicker. The number 2 way to save money is to go to a place that has a very streamlined, efficient process. If you go to a place that has lots of experience with dental implants, and has a very streamlined, efficient process, they can make things quicker and easier, and all that gets trickled down to the patient, so you can actually save money that way. The 3rd way to save money is actually by saving time. For some people, saving time is even more valuable than money. If you get things done right the first time, get it done quicker, get it done faster, but still get it done correctly, then you're actually saving yourself time and energy and money all in the same, process. Full arch dental implants are basically the permanent solution for a lot of people who have failing dentition. They're like a natural man-made tooth. It's the best option to get you back to natural chewing function with a natural looking smile that also is going to be long-lasting, strong, durable, and you don't have to worry about future dental problems. If you've been referred about getting dental implants, or you've been researching dental implants, you feel like they might be the right solution for you, please give us a call. We'd be happy to do a free smile analysis, a free second opinion or consultation, and help you get going down the right path.